Hello world. Welcome again to our game. So for this week I was working on game class, which is the class responsible for handling all the operations of our game. So here's our game class. In the main function I actually made this game to work at 60 frames per second. I just made an object of game class and then I called some methods of that class. So let's look at the game class. In the game class I have a lot of methods like initializing SPL, handling events and updating and rendering stuff. And after that I generated an algorithm. It's a method called generate objects, which will show different objects at different positions randomly. So let's look at the results. Here you can see these three of these objects are actually generated randomly at different places. Okay, that's it for now.
Hi guys, I'm Zainab and I basically had to render the player on the screen and move it around. So this is what I did. I made the window class and this is the player, and there are certain constraints on the position of the player. It cannot exit the screen.
And from what Usaid said, we worked on the game class, and then we made so what we want is on our game screen we'll be generating doctors and nurses walking randomly. They'll start at the top and then they'll keep walking down towards off screen. So this is what it looks like at the moment. So and they'll be in random locations, but this is pretty much what their movement will look like. We did this by changing the Y position. Also this week I worked on designing the, so first I found and finalized all of the sprites and images we'll be using, and then I worked on the screen. So this is what we'll be using for the doctors. This is our this is the apple, this is the banana peel. We'll take the baton from this. This is the bed. This is the main screen that'll open onto when we start the game. So this is what it will look like. So all of the objects will be moving on this, and it's the chair and the cupboard, and so this is what the quit screen will look like. And this is the different images of the door opening and closing. This is the main player. This is what we'll have in the hallway. This is injections. This is the main screen on which Usaid will render buttons. This is the nurse, the policeman, another set of policemen. This is the tools, like weapons that can be used. And this is the sister. And this is the splash screen.